We, British-Slovenian Camber of Commerce, are one of the members of British family here in Slovenia. Our mission is to help everybody coming to Slovenia from Britain and Slovenians coming to Britain, but not only to Britain, but also to the Commonwealth countries, to make trade, to invest, or to make tourism. United Kingdom is for Slovenian companies still an unused opportunity. There is a huge market there, growing, high buying power, very loyal when you, let us say, gain their trust. That's why I believe that there is still the best kept secret for Slovenian companies to export, like we are for British very often the best kept secret also to do business here and to sell more, because there is a very good industry in the United Kingdom. There are a lot of investors investing all around, but not enough in Slovenia. So this will be our mission, and we will do our best to accomplish in the next coming years.